everyone, it's Amy from HTS, and today I'm going to be putting together a St. Patrick's Day earring featuring our HTV green glitter and also to our gold faux leather. The design is a circle on top of a circle, and the green glitter has a shamrock die cut design to it. So I'm going to be layering the green glitter onto the faux leather. So that's why I've got my cooling block, as the glitter is a cold peel. I'm going to be using my home iron and making sure that I have the heat when I press down on the center of the iron. And I've got my jewelry tools with me too, and I've got my Tweety light with the hook to help me pull back the HTV. So I'm going to do a step-by-step for the first one, and then the second one I'm going to assemble. Let me know what you guys think. Here we go. Cut out the first circle. I'm going to lay this on top, and I'm going to just make sure that I'm going to put that there, so I make sure that my jump ring circle is backed by the faux leather to make sure that you have that structure. So once I have that, you just want to see how I have the little opening there laying on the faux leather. And I'm going to press down for about 30 seconds. You can use your Tweety light to help you pull back. And then you have your glitter on top of your faux leather. Next, you can take your Tweety light. What's nice that you can kind of create that hole, or you can use a thumbtack just to make sure you can get your jump ring in there. Next, I'm going to take my jump ring. I already have it open, but you're going to just slide it right through there. You're going to take your earring back, and you're going to put that through there. You're going to take your jewelry tool, and you're just going to close that up. And then you have your first earring done. What I'm also going to do is I am going to trim the sides here so they are a little bit more in line.